welcome back. Today we are going to make something that looks like this. This is the inspiration. I bought 2 of these candle holders at Hobby Lobby and they were $34.99 a piece. I did get them 50% off, but still. So this is what we're gonna be using as the stone here, and the beads I got them for $7.99. They come in 2 different sizes, one bigger than the other, and then you can either use the round mirror or the octagon one. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by using the round mirror. I'm gonna clean it up. I'm going to start by gluing in the bigger pieces, and practically what I'm doing is just using hot glue, and I want to make sure to leave a space not so big so another bead could be overlapped but kind of sticking out. You'll see what I mean in just a minute. I strongly suggest to use E6000 glue so it stays for a very long time. I'm using hot glue because I do happen to reuse or recycle my projects. So in case I do want to recycle this project, I can easily just pop off each of the gems. So this is what I have so far. I did use 11 of these bigger pieces, and like I said, I kind of eyeballed the space in between each one. I'm gonna go ahead and use the smaller beads, and practically what I'm gonna do is overlap them. Now it doesn't fit in the gap, but it kind of overlaps, and this is what I have so far. It was super duper easy, and look how beautiful it looks. Seriously, I mean, the cost was less than $3 each. So after cleaning it, you will end up with something that looks like this. Beautiful. And I did make another one off camera. This one does have the glittery trim, and for the gems I did created 3 layers. On the outer layer I put the bigger type of beads, and for the inner 2 I put the smaller ones. You decide which one you like best. Well, my friends, that is it, and I will see you on my next video. Hasta la vista. Mwah. Adios.